History of literary theory. Literary theory criticism refers to the application of various theories and frameworks to the analysis and interpretation of literature. These theories provide different lenses through which literary works can be examined, offering insights into the nature of literature, its social and cultural contexts, and the ways in which meaning is created. Poststructuralism, post-structuralist theory. Influenced by thinkers like Jacques Derrida and Michel Foucault, challenges the stability and fixed meanings often associated with structuralism. It emphasizes the fluidity of language, the presence of power dynamics, and the multiple interpretations that can arise from a text. Here are some key literary theories and approaches commonly employed in literary criticism. Structuralism. Structuralist theory focuses on the underlying structures and systems that shape meaning in literature. It examines the relationships and patterns within texts and explores how they contribute to the overall meaning and interpretation of the work. Feminist theory. Feminist literary theory examines how literature represents and addresses issues of gender, sexuality, and power. It explores the portrayal of women in literature, the construction of gender roles, and the ways in which literature reflects or challenges patriarchal norms and structures. Marxist theory. Marxist literary theory analyzes literature in relation to social and economic systems. It examines how literature reflects class struggles, ideologies, and power dynamics, and explores the ways in which literature can contribute to or challenge dominant social orders. Queer theory. Queer theory examines the representation of gender and sexuality in literature. It challenges normative assumptions about gender and sexuality, interrogates heteronormativity, and explores non-binary identities and experiences. Ecocriticism. Ecocriticism focuses on the relationship between literature and the environment. It examines how literature represents nature, environmental issues, and human interactions with the natural world. These are just a few examples of the many theoretical approaches within literary criticism. Literary theorists often combine different theories or draw from interdisciplinary perspectives to analyze and interpret literature. By applying these theories, critics aim to uncover deeper meanings, challenge dominant narratives, and engage in broader discussions about the role of literature in society.